Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Let's talk about Arkham USDT trading pair with my customer cassette updates. First of all, guys, maybe we all cooked, and 2024 it was at the end of main bull run for altcoins. Is it possible? Yes. Anyway, if it was the end of bull run, soon we should consolidate and rebound to some high points, because we can't physically, of course it's possible, we can move like this one forever, right? But most likely, because of market makers anyway, the main goal of market makers, it's money and USDT, USDC, stable coins at the end. So I think we can't go down all the time. So sooner or later they will hunt liquidity at these levels, and just a matter of time when nobody knows, guys. Maybe in 2028, maybe it's 2026, maybe it's 2027. Nobody knows. That's why, guys, we can't work with the time. We can only work with the price action. So congrats everybody who at least listened the first videos what I posted about Arkham. After listening, we used the initiation accumulation pump model, and this was a June 2023. This token listed. Honestly, I use the Arkham intelligence platform for research, for some wallets, track the BlackRock, the ETFs, and all of this stuff. But honestly, I'm not used to the exchange, and I would like to show you some news now. Maybe it's just a rumor, but congrats everybody who watched the first video, because from the first zone to buy, we bounced it to a new all-time high, and after that, people screaming no, we're going straight forward to $10. Even I posted the video here. I thought we drop it down. I posted the updates after the year. I thought we drop it down in August 2024, and I thought we could go higher to the $20. Why? Because they launched the platform, the exchange, regulated exchange in the United States. So, wow, it's brilliant, right? Regulated exchange in the United States. What could go wrong? And now they shut down it. So this is an announcement, not announcement, but crypto trading platform. So, they not shut down the platform of like restore the data, right? But they shut down the own exchange. Because of low volume, there's only 600K volume 24 hours. So basically for the regulated exchange, for you in the United States, it's literally nothing. It's like no-name exchanges get even more volume. That's why it's kind of sad. How the this macro things what happened in the world last 2 years. How the market makers, how the exchanges just destroyed the industry in general. So the people not trade, not use even the Arkham. That's why I don't know how the Arkham like a token should rebound now based on what? Just only because of speculation. Because I thought, and it could be the great model. So, you use the exchange and you pay maybe some fees, with the Arkham token, and it's a burn the token. So the price should skyrocket, like normal model. But now if they shut down, I don't know, just like speculation that the token can pump. So how high and how low this token can drop? Of course, this token can drop and invalidate the idea. Maybe invalidate the initiation accumulation pump model. So if the Arkham will drop 50% from now, maybe even I will touch it 5 cents for the spot position. Now I don't want to touch it. Of course, if you believe in Arkham like a token, you can accumulate even now. Because now I guess it's a great opportunity to buy. Because anyway, if you buy now, it's 11. After that, the price, for example, dropped to 5. We can't know the future. Of course, we can go into price discovery mode under the 5 cents like a StartNet, and we can't know where the Arkham will find the support and the bottom. But what if and the same model, by the way, for the Arbitrum now. So Arbitrum at 13, we can drop to 10 and sweep the liquidity pool at the bottom of the listing price. So for example, you buy it at 11 and you buy it at the 5. So your average entry will be, I don't know, like 7 and 5. And after that, at 15, you will drop initial deposit. So right with the free token. So anyway, I believe if this model still in play, guys, we can rebound to 35 28th and 35. So this is it. We already grabbed at this liquidity of October, and the good moment, guys, finally we get a signal take profit. This cycle show me a lot of examples where I need just to trust my own indicator set, because of course we can't know in a moment when the alerts should be triggered, right? Maybe we, trust the take profit signals. So, you know, when you here see the signal to sell on the different time frames and on the weekly, especially for investment. So if you see the signal to sell here, wait, signal to close and the stop selling, stop sales, or a new signal to buy. Here was it just a buy back, and we bounce it. Buy back, we bounce it. Buy back, we bounce it. Buy back, we bounce it. And basically all that time period in Smart Zone 84, we could not touch for investment. For investment, for the speculation, yes, we could trade it, swing trades, intraday trades. But for investment, better wait the take profit signal. Even if you think this alerts will never trigger. I see just hundreds, not hundreds, but dozens alerts. What I added just Zone 25, Zone 24 maybe, right? And only now they triggered because we thought, personally, maybe you also, no, it's impossible to drop to the buy line, or it's impossible to see the take profit signal. And only now, imagine from sell signal in April 24 at $2.72, only now in January, we dump it and see the signal. So we need to close short position, stop selling the Arkham. Can we drop lower? Yes. And only now, more logical, start accumulate. So we could do nothing, not waste the time in front of monitor and not track it, all this stuff, just to wait the simple alert. Daily, guys. Daily more positive. I guess anyway, we will recover sooner or later. So just a matter of time. Here was a signal to sell. Take profit on a Donald Trump dump. Here's a buys. But it's a daily time frame. It's for intradays. So congrats everybody who used the set, and track everything by yourself, for example, because I'm not track Arkham so often, but so now it's more than okay to accumulate it. Highly recommend you use the dashboard, just a brand new indicator. So all in one place, you can adjust the time frames for all indicators and track it. So daily time frame, this is accumulation. So yes, we also accumulate. ADZ, also we formed the divergence, even divergence here on November 25, the 23 cents low. Now it was the 10 cents round number, and now it's this is what I don't like. On the spot, when we stop it at the round number, most likely we will not hold this number and drop it lower. But maybe I'm wrong. And the February now it's 11 and 2. So if we not hold, guys, now the roller will be open to sweep the listing price. It's kind of horrible. It's just absolutely disgusting. This is a weekly time frame. We never seen the biggest accumulation. I rarely see that even on other tokens, the biggest accumulation on the weekly time frame. So now it's more than okay to accumulate this token. And only also, once again, all this time period, we could do nothing. And only in December, this one at 17, start accumulate based on direction indicator on the weekly time frame. That's why, guys, yes, this cycle is pretty tough, but it's teach me a lot how to even use my set and how to trust. Of course, I know how to work with my set. I know the condition, but by emotion, you won't believe. So how we can drop from $3 to 10 cents? How? It's even impossible. But algorithm is algorithm. That's why sometimes you need to trust more like a math and the algorithm on the chart than your emotion. This is a disbelief in a market mood. Total disbelief, total capitulation. What I don't like, we still in some A3 zone on the monthly, but I think soon it will go. So daily I don't know, guys, where we're gonna find the support. If we not hold the line here, like 8 cents or 9 cents, the reward will be open to the 5 cents. Yes, more than sure. Money power, no money inflow now yet on a daily, weekly. Somebody started accumulated since October. Some aggressive accumulation. All this period there was a distribution. So for spot, guys, just my humble opinion, I think it's more than okay to start use DCA and the buy this token now. At 20, if we not drop to 55 cents, at 20 you withdraw initial deposit and sleep well right to the new all-time high or new high. Just the last indicator, guys, is take profit. Take a look. We're so underrated. So underrated. And this is an amazing example, once again, like with the DWDX. So sometimes we have the perfectly well work platform, service, or whatever, but the token of that project and the service don't have to pump. So the price of the Arkham token not depends of how many people use the platform. So maybe they need to create some model to use the platform, so the people need to buy the Arkham tokens. Maybe makes sense. So it's attract the people to invest more in Arkham. I don't know why they not do this one. Even a small amount of Arkham, or keep on the balance to use that platform like idea. It's a good one. Take profit line anyway, guys. One day we're gonna test it. It's $1.17. So I add alert to take profit line. Now it sounds unrealistic. I understand. Now we're at 11. So how it even possible? So we're gonna test the around $1.16. It will never happen, guys. The same things people think here. We never dropped on the 50 cents or so. So add alert to the take profit line and wait. But lines are dynamic. So that's why you can't add the alert just to the price $1.17, because for example, the take profit line can be at 74 cents in the next few months. We can't know. That's why add alert to the take profit line, not the sum price. Daily. Remember, while you test, it's once again the sweep 0999. 12 time frame. I don't know why we have to drop again to fundamental value if we already retested this level, but it's possible. So it's 8 cents 80. I hope we just hold the line now and go to the 23 and 4 and 26 and 5 and go into the weekly time frame, daily time frame, take profit line. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment below to think about Arkham. Do you use the platform? Do you use the exchange or not? If you'd like to trade with my customer cassette and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.